In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily share a pin from Pinterest right from your profile. The process is simple and straightforward, making it perfect for those who want to quickly share something inspiring or useful with friends or followers. So whether you're new to Pinterest or just need a refresher, I've got you covered. Let's get started by going to Pinterest. If you haven't already, open your web browser and type in the Pinterest URL or open the Pinterest app on your device. Once there, you'll want to head over to your profile. You can generally find this by clicking on your profile icon, which might be located at the top right corner of the page, depending on the device you're using. When you're on your profile, you'll see various options like boards, pins, and perhaps some other categories based on your activity. For our purposes today, we're going to focus solely on pins. So go ahead and click on pins to view all the pins you've saved over time. This will load up a beautiful gallery of all the content you've curated. Next, you'll want to find the specific pin that you feel like sharing. Maybe it's a delicious recipe that's been a hit with your family, an inspiring quote you think will uplift someone, or maybe a handy DIY project. Whatever it is, once you spot it, hover your mouse over the pin. This action usually brings up several options related to the pin. Now look for the option that says Share. Once you click Share, you'll often be presented with several platforms you can send this pin to. But for the purpose of directly sharing a link, what you want is the Copy Link option. By clicking Copy Link, you've effectively saved the URL of the pin to your clipboard. This means you can now paste this link anywhere, perhaps in an email, a chat message, or a social media post. It's just that simple. After you've copied the link, you're done. Yes, that's all there is to it. This straightforward method means you can speedily get your pins out to those you think will benefit from them the most. Remember, sharing pins can be a great way to engage with your community, friends, and family, giving them new ideas or bringing them into the things you find exciting or helpful. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Happy pinning and sharing.